In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix GTA VC Runtime 140.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is to check the system type of our Windows 11. So type system information under the best match. Take note of your system type and then open a browser. Search for Visual C++ Redistributable and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and simply click the download link corresponding to your system type. Click the folder icon. And then double click on it. Check this box. I agree to the license terms and conditions and click on install. So simply install the Visual C++ on your Windows 11. Next method is you have to also go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click run as administrator. Type SFC space / scan now and hit enter. The system scan will begin, so simply wait for the process to be 100% completed. And once completed, just simply type exit in the command prompt window and then restart your Windows. Next method, also update your Windows. Click on the start button and go to settings. From the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on Windows Update. And then simply click the button right here to check for all the available updates on your Windows 11. So that's it, and I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.